Good morning, respected parents and my dear students. How are you all? Before starting our topic, I would like to request my respected parents that do not tell the answers to your child. Today we are here to study grade 5 science, block number 3, topic number 4. Now, let's do the revision. What we have done yesterday, we have read about two types of fertilizers. Can you name them? One is organic, other one is inorganic. Wow, good. Now, can you tell me the difference between these two, organic and inorganic? Okay. Organic are made with the help of natural things. And inorganic is made in factories with chemicals. Wow. These are made up of rotten fruits, veggies, leftover food, vegetable peels. Manure is made up of cow dung. Okay. Now, what else? Yes, this is heavy in weight. It is inorganic is light in weight. It is of brown in color and it is white in color. What else? Having smell, na? May have, may not. What else? Yes, this organic takes time for growing the crops, but inorganic, with the help of inorganic, the crops grows very fast, right? Because it dissolves in the water, and it doesn't dissolve in the water. Now let me know one thing. Suppose if you are having a plant in your house, so how will you take care of it? You will water the plant every day, regularly. You will keep it in the sunlight. You will keep in airy area where that plant will get a lot of air. Yes. So you have to think, and you will be adding the manure also. Yes, these are some steps which you have to do for your plant. Okay, now today our topic is based on this only, that how to take care of a plant so that it can grow better. So let's move towards our topic. So our topic number 4 is better ways to grow crops. Okay, the aim is explain how good cultivation leads to better crop yield. So the aim is that कि आज हम ये देखेंगे कि जो खेती करने के लिए यानी कल्टीवेशन करने के जो तरीके हैं, अगर हम अच्छी कल्टीवेशन करेंगे तो कैसे हमारे क्रॉप्स बेटर हो सकते हैं, उसको आज हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे with the help of this activity. So as we have discussed that for a healthy plant, we need to give the water, we need to keep that in the sunlight, in the airy area. Now, let me know one thing. If you are going to water your pot, so what you will use? You will use a pipe and water, or you will use a bucket with mug. Bucket with a mug? Yes. Okay, now tell me one thing. If you are washing the car, so at that time, you will wash the car with the help of a pipe or with the help of a bucket and a mug? Yes, same. Okay, we'll use the bucket and the mug. Now tell me one thing. Suppose you're having a very big land with you and the crops are sown over there. The seeds are sown over there. At that time, what you will use? You will use a pipe to irrigate the land, or you will use the sprinkles. Sprinkle means फुवारे. So आप फुवारे यूज करोगे उस लैंड को इरिगेट पानी देने के लिए, और यू विल यूज अ पाइप. स्प्रिंकल इज अ बेटर वे. यस, बिकॉज स्प्रिंकल जो होगा, फुवारा जो होता है, वो पूरी जगह फैल के वो ज्यादा एरिया कवर करेगा. वन थिंग. सेकेंड थिंग, इट विल नॉट हार्म द प्लांट. वो प्लांट को हार्म नहीं करेगा. थर्ड थिंग, इट विल नॉट हार्म द रूट ऑफ द प्लांट. क्योंकि अगर मैं यहाँ पाइप डालूंगी तो वो जो पानी का जो फ्लो, जो प्रेशर होगा, वो ज्यादा उस जगह को वो डिग कर देगा, होल कर देगा. सो टुडे वी विल फाइंड more better ways to cultivate the crops. Okay, so our activity is based on this only. Let's move towards our activity. So हमारी activity वो based on S1. What we have to do, we have to see the picture, ठीक है, and we have to find for each stage some good techniques for cultivating the crops. कि जो ये stages हैं इसमें हम और क्या अच्छा कर सकते हैं कि हमारे जो crops है वो better हो जाए. For example, let's go towards the stage number 2. Stage number 2. See here, what the farmer is doing, the farmer is sowing the seeds. ये seeds को बो रहा है. So, but what he is doing? He is just throwing the seeds. So, is it the correct way to sow the seeds? और या इससे और कोई अच्छा तरीका है to sow the seeds? We will find out that. Let's move. I can give you one more example. Let's move towards the third picture. Just see the farmer. The farmer is carrying 2 buckets. Okay, and he is just irrigating the field. वो हर अपने crop को पानी दे रहा है. तो is it the right way to get a good crops? या इससे अच्छा तरीका और कोई टेक्निक आ सकती है to irrigate the crops? We will find out that. After observing all these stages, you have to write 10 things which can help to produce more crops. Okay, that you have to write in your notebook. 10 things which can help to produce more crops. For example, I have done 2, like HYS means high yielding seeds. A good quality of seeds अगर हमारे पास होंगे, so हमारे crops will be good enough. Next is use of manure or fertilizer. If you will use the manure or the fertilizer, then also our crops will be better. I'm going to tell you one very interesting, amazing fact. You all love the potato fries, right? जो हम finger fries भी बोलते हैं, उनको French fries भी बोलते हैं. We all love that. But do you know one thing? If you want to eat the potato fries, they can be healthy. But healthy अगर खानी है, so don't take out the skin of potato, because all the nutrients of the potato is it in its skin. I'm going to show you how I have done the activity. I wrote the 10 things which can help to produce more crops. First is the HYS, yani high yielding seeds, good quality of seeds. Second, use of manure or the fertilizers. Third, sowing seeds at a distance. Fourth, don't sow seeds deep. Using sprinklers to water crops. Water the crops on time. Doing weeding on time. Using machines for plowing. Fencing and spraying pesticides. So my first question is, what are some practices or techniques that can help crops grow better? Some good practices or techniques are using good quality seeds, sowing seeds at a distance, using sprinklers to water the crops on time, doing weeding on time, use machines for plowing, do fencing. Fencing means फार्म के जो आपका खेत होता है उसके चारों तरफ तार लगाना या लकड़ी या कांटे लगाना ताकि जो एनिमल्स है वो अंदर ना आ सके. यूजिंग पेस्टिसाइड्स फॉर कीपिंग द पेस्ट अवे. जो कीट होते जो कीड़ा मकोड़े होते जो आपके क्रॉप्स को खराब कर देते हैं उनको दूर रखने के लिए दवाई छिड़कना. यूजिंग स्केयर क्रोज टू कीप द बर्ड्स अवे. लकड़ी से एक पुतला बनाना और वो खेत में लगाना ताकि बर्ड सोचे यहाँ पे कोई आदमी है, उसको हम स्केयर क्रो बोलते हैं. क्रॉप रोटेशन, खेत में अलग अलग तरह के क्रॉप्स उगाना. स्टेप फार्मिंग, अगर आप हिल स्टेशंस पे रहते हो then you should go for the step farming. And do not sow the seeds deep. सीड को ज़्यादा गहराई में नहीं बोना. The next question is, why do farmers need to change their cultivation practices? Farmers have to use good cultivation practices at every stage to produce more crops to meet the ever increasing demands of a growing population. The next question is, what happens when farmers grow the same crop again and again in the same soil, and how does it affect the yield of the crop? The answer is, if the same crop is grown again and again, the same nutrients used up from the soil, the soil will lose its fertility and it will no more be suitable to grow good quality crops. Yields of second crop are often poor, cheap, and reliable. The next question is, what is step farming? Farmers make steps on hills to grow crops. This prevents the water from flowing away. This technique is called step farming. What a farmer should do to increase the yield of the crop in such cases? The farmer should leave the soil barren for some time. Means farmer को कुछ दिन तक उस खेत में खेती नहीं करनी चाहिए, उसको बंजर छोड़ देना चाहिए, so that it again restores its nutrients. Practice certain farming technique such as multi-cropping, means एक साथ 3-4 crops उगाना, and crop rotation, एक अलग अलग टाइप की crops उगाना. How the government helps farmers to follow the good cultivation practices and produce more crops. Government is providing many schemes to help farmers in India. Each varies with the benefits and subsidy amount. Subsidy schemes such as PM Kisan, Kisan Credit Card, crop insurance, and solar pump subsidy. Read page number 16, heading Good Cultivating Practices, and page number 17 from content book. Do S4 of page number 22 of workbook. Question number 1 is, identify which is better practice of cultivation and why. In the first picture, the field is irrigated by the help of a tube well. Here are the sprinklers, and here the farmer is harvesting the crop, and here the machine is used to harvest the crops. Second question, a farmer sowed the seed in his field as shown in the picture. Is it a good way of sowing? Why or why not? Just see the picture. Third question. Third A. What happens when farmers grow the same crop again and again in the same soil? How does it affect the yield of the crop? And the B question is, what should they do to increase the yield of the crop in such cases? Homework for today is, do question number 7 and 8 of page number 18 in notebook. Question number 7 is, what are the 3 things that a farmer should keep in mind while sowing seeds? Question number 8 is, crop rotation is the practice of growing different types of crop in the same area. Why is it good to rotate crops? So let's sum up what we have done today. We have done that how we can go for the good practices to grow the crops in better way. First is the sow the seeds at distance. Means seeds को जो बोए वो एक gap देके बोए. Next is the crop rotation. एक ही land पे बार बार same crop ना उगाकर different crops उगाए. If you are doing the farming on the hilly areas, then use the step farming. Next, good quality of seeds. Next, watering on time. Crops को पानी time पे देना. Next one is the weeding on time. उसमें से unwanted plants भी time पे निकालना. Using of sprinkles. फुहारों को use करना. Using pesticides टू किल द पेस्ट, जो उसमें कीट होते हैं, जो कीड़े मकोड़े होते हैं, उनको मारने के लिए यूज द पेस्टिसाइड्स। नेक्स्ट इज द फेंसिंग। जो आपका खेत है, जो आपका फार्म है, उसके चारों तरफ फेंसिंग लगाइए, बेड़ा लगाइए, सो दैट द cow or the buffaloes or any other animals will not go inside the crops. Next is the using machines for plowing. Plow करने के लिए land, so you try to use the machines. And the last one is the using of manure or the fertilizers. Thank you and have a nice day. I hope आपको समझ में आ गया है कि कैसे हम अच्छी तरह से अपने क्रॉप्स कल्टीवेट कर सकते हैं। नाउ प्लीज हेल्प योर दादा और योर फादर एंड टेल देम द गुड प्रैक्टिसेस। Before saying bye, there is one more amazing fact, that is, do you know there are two types of desert? One is the hot desert and the other one is the cold desert. Bye everyone.